It's May 12 today and we're currently here in Parcal sa Parañaque kasi sinamahan natin sila to apply for a Japan visa. We're waiting for him and kanina kumain kami sa 7-Eleven malapit dun sa building. Puntahan natin yung Abaca building kung saan yung visa application center. Ito yung Super Sam and then lakad ka lang ng onte. Tapos makikita mo na yung entrance ng VFS. Ito yung entrance ng Abaca building. Ayan. Tapos akit ka lang ng 3rd floor, dun na yung VFS. Kumain din kami sa may 7-Eleven dito lang sa gilid. Ayan, andyan yung 7-Eleven. Din pala dito yung Ayala Malls Manila Bay. So ayun, sa may part ng cinemas. Ayan, hanapin nyo lang din malapit na pag dire-diretso nyo, yun na yung Abaca building ng Parcal. Tapos ayun din, makikita mo rin yung Soler doon banda. Din palang parking dito guys sa mismong building. Pag nakita mo yung court na yan, kanan ka lang dun sa may Caltex. Dun yung entrance ng parking. Tapos dito na mismo yan sa building ng Abaca. So yung elevator going up and down to and from the parking is near B3. Yung entrance ng elevator.
So time check, it's currently 12 noon. So ito yung traffic situation going up to Tagaytay. Sobrang layo niya sa usual weekend heavy traffic dito. We are less than 30 minutes away from Tagaytay proper.
Here sa Tagaytay proper and tignan nyo guys yung daan, wala pa rin ka-traffic. Sobrang luwag pa rin. Unlike kapag weekends, di ba grabe? Kabilang lane, wala talagang traffic. We're here at breakfast at Antonio's. Magla-lunch lang tayo dito and then later we'll buy pasalubong. So here's our first order which is lamb chowder soup. Our second order, potato salad. And here's our last order, smoky pork baby back ribs. Tapos may kasama siyang fries. So this one is for sharing. So we're just gonna have our lunch. So we're done with our lunch and now we're going back to Manila. But first, we're going to buy either the original buko pie or yung Cecilia's. Guys, tapos na tayo sa last stop natin, which is yung Cecilia's. Dumaan lang kami para bumili ng buko pie. So, ayun guys, time check, it's 2:55 p.m. We're going back to Manila na. And done na rin naman kami sa last stop, which is the buko pie para sa pasalubong. So, wala na rin kaming memory. So, we'll end the vlog here. Thank you for watching!